I want. Today she'll tell me, Mama, you please eat. Yeah, you're not eating. You will not feel like eating at all. The little bit that you chew and you get yourself into that habit of chewing it so much that you are gulping it down like liquid is the best thing that you can do for your body. Got it? Now this, yeah. What is that? No. Fruits get easily masticated, which means you can chew food easily. Sprouts, you cannot chew easily, correct? And both of them have different digestive timings. So you should not eat sprouts and fruit together. You should not eat 2-3 different fruits together. You should not eat fruits with your food together. Should always have that half an hour. कौन बोला? आप है ना? Yeah. Why? Reason आप बताइए. हाँ. हाँ. तो क्या हुआ? हर बस फुल स्टॉप हो गया. He's been with us for very long, so he knows. There are a lot of cultures in India that eat sweet food before their main meal also, and they eat fruits before their main meal also. What he said is very right. Fruits of any kind take 20 minutes to half an hour to get digested. And your normal food that you are eating, inclusive of non-veg also, takes 4 to 6 hours to get digested. Now what happens is, if you are too much of a non-veg eater, then you definitely have fight. The different foods will fight in your stomach. Because, now suppose you're having rice with chicken curry. The rice has got a certain amount of time to digest, but the chicken can take 3 days to digest. So then what happens? So, why do they eat fruits before their food? And what type of fruits? Mostly citrus fruits are eaten before meals. Half an hour to 45 minutes before their meals, the family will sit down together, the women come on the table and start, cleaning up the oranges and the musambis and everything, and everybody sits down to eat. And after that, food will be served. Because there is acid in the fruits. And that helps your food that you have eaten to be digested comfortably without any acidity problem. It's very funny because when you're talking about acids and then you're saying that they're alkaline, how can it be? But the acids in these fruits, they will calm down the acids of your stomach. And that is why there are cultures in India that do eat fruit before their meals, and there are cultures that eat them afterwards. Afterwards you will find, it's very sad, but when the person is in the toilet, the fruit comes out just by itself. It is not digested. Why? Because you are eating food. The digestive juices inside your body are taking the food and going to work to digest it. At the same time, you are dumping different types of fruits in your stomach. Have you ever noticed this? That you can chew musambi. You are chewing on the sweet lime or on the orange, But when you are in the toilet and you are passing stools, acid in your digestive system is not so bad. Now, anybody here with high BP? You should have got rid of it by now. Okay. 3 to 4 times, yeah. I'm not asking you to climb the Himalayas. Your little finger, you meet me outside, huh? Your little finger, anybody, only one finger, not all the 4. Your one little, 2 fingers, because you got 2 ears, put your little finger inside your ear, nicely, and shake it vigorously. Vigorously for 1 minute. Huh? Nail you got? I told you all last time. Put this. This morning, did I tell you I've opened a new center, 45 Modi Street. 45 Modi Street. Please come next Friday. We'll have some fun there. Huh? From 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock. In the morning on Fridays. 45 बोल रही हूँ तो 34. पिटोगे एक दिन 34 में जाओगे तो it's only for ladies. See how you remembered ladies का room का number? It is 45 Modi Street. It is a NGO that I've हाँ यहीं पे बाजू में मैं गाड़ी यहीं पे पार्क करी उस दिन आप लोगों ने today I parked here and then walked there. इसके बाजू में मेरी ऑफिस है. मर गए. तो that's बहुत दूर है. तो this lady came and I don't speak Gujarati. Now they have promised that they're going to teach me. She came and I was sitting down there and she kept on. I could understand that I've got high BP and I'm suffering and ye dada do dada sab. After that I told her, आपको हिंदी आती है? हाँ हाँ आती. तो मैंने कहा वो लेक्चर जो आपने गुजराती में दिए ना हिंदी में दो. Then I told her, I took her BP. My God, 180, 80. Naturally, if she's jumping, it will be like that, no? Because when she entered, it's a 4-story building, different things on each floor. When she entered, the whole building was shaking. That much of noise she was making. So she was hypertense. I made her sit down and I told her, ये उंगली कौन से हैं? तो she said, छोटे वाले उंगली. अच्छा अभी निकाल के कान में डालो. She put, I said, no, 1 minute tak karo. She did for 2 seconds and gave me such a dirty look because she thought I wanted to drink my water. That's why I'm making her do this. I said, आप करो तो सही 1 minute के लिए मैं बैठी हूँ. After that, again I took her BP and it had gone down low. It was 160 by 80 again. Not much at all. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. 4 times a day. Same time, 1 minute. When I told my mother-in-law this, I'm a Muslim and I'm a Pathan and I'm married to a Kutchi Muslim. So we are enemies. That's what my mother-in-law told me. तू गुजराती बोलती नहीं, तू कच्छी नहीं बोलती, you're my enemy. But I'm the youngest daughter-in-law and I'm her favorite. I know that. When I told her, Mama ये करो, तो बोली तू मेरे को पागल समझी क्या? ऐसे तुम करो तो सही. And she did it. Now if I tell her, stand in that, we punish each other when she makes mistake. I'll say, वो कोने में मम्मा एक पैर पे खड़े रहो. She'll stand. Now, I mean, that much she trusts me now. So if you know your acupressure well, like if any of your friends, while you're talking to them, they have BP, ask them to first take it, first check their BP, and then do this for 1 minute and get it checked again. Believe me, it will go down. And not only their BP will go down, their method of talking and yelling and screaming and that hyper, everything will become cold. Initially, you have to do it 4 to 5 times a day. And after regular doing for 1 week, then it is permanent. Then slowly you go to your doctor, he will lessen your medicines. That's what happened to this lady that came to the center. She said, my